What I really like about Moraine Valley STEM Expo is that it has all these cool interventions and things that you can participate in. And they're all really unique and some stuff that you can do at home yourself. My favorite part is the elephant toothpaste because I always find the explosion really fun and exhilarating with all the fun different colors.
My booth here is about the river crossing problem. It's a puzzle challenge. It requires you to critical think, and also has ideas on how to safely deliver the zebras from one side of the river to the other. And it can be just like a simple guess answer. It requires actual critical thinking, which is very good for the students.
We take about 70 kids here yearly, and the bus ride home is a buzz with all the exciting things they saw. We also start to hear conversations in classrooms about new careers they might be interested in or new ideas they saw, sharing with the friends that they didn't get to go to this. And then we usually see a lot of kids get interested in high school activities when they get close to going to their next level. They pick classes that are going to relate to their STEM activities they may have done here.
I was actually a student in 7th grade when I came to one of these STEM Expos, which is really cool. So when I came, it was actually really interesting to see all of the fun and new experiments. It kind of really inspired me to kind of present today. I don't know, it's kind of like a full circle moment. It was really cool to see all those experiments, and now I get to kind of do one, so it's really fun.
The reason why I help out with the Moraine Valley STEM Expo is to give students a taste of what biology is like and hopefully get them excited and interested in this field or in just science in general. You know, it's an awesome experience to go around, talk to all these students, see what kind of questions they have, get them to be curious about science and ask questions and hopefully become lifelong learners kind of starting at a young age.
Heritage Middle School has been coming to the Moraine Valley STEM Expo for about the last 7 or 8 years. We feel it's really important for our kids to have as much exposure to science as they can.
Moraine Valley does a great job with the STEM Expo and allowing all kids to just jump in and do hands-on experiences. And that is what we want kids to do. It's problem solving, it's learning to work with others, it's communication, collaboration, and a lot of careers have that, and sometimes at our school buildings we don't have the opportunity to do this activities because we are curricular based, so it gives them a chance to explore other things and think a little differently.